Hello, my name is Cho Chi, and I'm the Chief Innovation Officer at Hyundai Motor Group. I'd like to make use of 5 minutes to share our approach to smart city from a mobility perspective, which is how to move people and goods in a way that improves the quality of life and daily experience. It has proven throughout history that mobility of people has a profound impact on our society. A pedestrian-friendly layout encourages community engagement. Car-centric development defined modern urban life and certainly increased efficiency, but with some side effects. Airplanes and rapid transit trains facilitated globalization, and the halt in international mobility due to pandemic forced us to step back temporarily, although digital transformation made it possible for us to keep in touch. As you can see, mobility of people has a great impact on how our society is shaped and how we interact. While true to our roots as an automaker with strengths in ground transportation, we realize that the mobility of the future holds a greater promise. We envision autonomous, purpose-built vehicles of various sizes to cater to different needs of ground transportation. Urban air mobility will connect cities to cities, redefining urban boundaries. But even more important is how to seamlessly connect the two dimensions and create synergy through the hub. As you can see, we gave plenty of thought on the future of movement of people. But mobility is not just about movement of people, but also about movement of goods. To support the life we live, there is an intricate network of moving goods, and while it may be less visible than moving people, it is not any less important. For a smart city to be smart, movement of people and goods must be carefully considered together. We believe that we need to completely rethink mobility and create a new ecosystem that we call the unlimited mobility of things. So, let's talk about movement of goods. Order placement, manufacturing, and deliveries are all separate pieces of a puzzle. However, these functions will all be integrated to ensure end-to-end visibility. When a customer places an order, the product will be either ready by the predictive demand or be made to order to enable lean inventory. Then the automated and advanced delivery solutions will deliver the product to the customer's doorstep. All of this will be integrated and be visible from the moment of order to delivery. We need innovation from advanced assets, such as vehicles, drones, and robots to come together to fundamentally change mobility as a whole. These advanced assets will facilitate technology advancements in smart cities and smart manufacturing, enhancing mobility of people and goods. Last but not least, metaverse will become more and more important, affecting all three fields with particular importance placed on digital twins. We believe that metaverse will be critical, especially for advanced simulation that will help improve precision and reduce cost and time before deploying new technology. I hope that my comment today served as a starting point to think about how we need to approach mobility as movement of everything, and how the physical world and metaverse must complement each other for a fundamental change in mobility. I hope to share some updated news in the near future on our next big steps to realize this unlimited mobility of things vision. Thank you for listening.